Speaking of things they should do, according to some owners of those brand new AirPods Max, Apple should fix their headphones because they are experiencing condensation issues inside of their ear cups. This is such a weird one here. Very weird. And I don't know what to make of it. Certain users, a couple different users here, took off the magnetic ear cup after an extended listening session, just a normal listening session, 40 minutes. Well, one guy's 40 minutes, an hour and a half. It doesn't seem to... No one really knows why this is happening, but took off the headphones, noticed a little moisture, then took off the magnetic ear cup and found a bunch of water, wetness, condensation inside of the actual headphone.
Oh.
And they got concerned, right? So they start writing to the 9to5Mac type websites and they start tweeting about it. Here's a tweet. So, my AirPods Max form condensation after extended use. They've never been used in any humid environment. The water gets inside the drivers and has caused ear detection problems. I've been wearing them inside, sitting at a desk mainly. Nothing crazy, super concerning issue. Another user follows up. I had exactly the same issue. I went on a light walk, 40 minutes, and then I watched a movie for an hour and a half. Each time, the water was getting inside from condensation, and the ring was getting red. Maybe I was overthinking it. Anyway, too worrisome for me. So a couple of different tweets. And some speculation as well from 9to5Mac, which I feel like I can get behind. The concept here, the idea is that it's cold and hot when it comes to condensation. Welcome to the science portion of the show right now. Cold meeting hot. Your head is hot. Aluminum is cold. The environment could be cold. It's cold in many places. Is it possible that this combination, this interaction between the headphone and the human is enough to cause this reaction? I don't know. It seems hard to believe. I've used a lot of headphone products, maybe even metal ones in the past. I've never experienced anything like this.
Maybe this could be a test. Did you feel that it was hot on your head when we did the video?
No, not at all. They were cool to the touch, the outside of the unit. I'm going to be honest, I haven't done a 1.5 hour, I haven't watched a movie wearing them or anything like that. But it is curious. Maybe we should. Let's run a test. See if we can recreate this situation. Either way, if I'm a buyer of these, $550, if I'm Donald Philemon on Twitter, who's the user who originally posted this, I'm a little bit concerned because it's such an expensive product. And water and electronics, it's always a kind of a nervous, especially since Apple didn't state any kind of IP rating on this particular headphone. They just, they were like, it's up to you. They didn't promote any fitness with it.
Oh, right, yeah.
They kind of just imply, like, I don't know where they expect you to use it. I guess on the airplane and at home, and that's pretty much it, and at the desk.
Yeah.
But it's just a very interesting development. You wouldn't think there would be enough for that type of reaction, especially the first user who says he's just using it at the desk and didn't do anything weird with it. But we'll see if more reports jump out, and we'll see if we can recreate it. Maybe we'll go from super cold to super hot and see what happens inside of the seal there. And the scientists, you guys can jump in yourself. Maybe you know why this is happening specifically with this headphone. And maybe this is a reason, Will, why a lot of manufacturers have avoided metal headphones.
Yeah. Maybe
that's the reason. Although I feel like the headphones you're wearing right now have some metal on them. Or is it magnesium? It's some metal. Anyway. Yeah, I wouldn't be happy either, $550. I wouldn't be happy either. I'm just saying.
It's a lot of water.
But let's just keep in mind, it's a small number of reports at the moment. Let's keep that in mind as well. Could be an issue with those headphones specifically.